Hey, how's it going? Back at it. We're here in Castro Valley, California, right outside of Oakland. We're restoring an old floor here that's been here for about 30 years. The guy put it in himself. He's really emotionally attached. He hasn't done anything in like 20-something years. Purpose of the video is I want to show you guys what the floors look like when you don't maintain them correctly and you let 20 years go, or 10 or 15, and you know, you invest a lot of money on either the house you just bought, or if you did it yourself and had a remodel and paid somebody to put it in. Don't be neglectful. It's like not putting an oil change in your car for fucking 5 years. You know what I'm saying? You gotta maintain these things. So anyway, look down. See all this dark shit right here? This is where they wore through the sealer into the tile, and the surface of the tile is actually missing now. So now what happens is these tiles are like French bread. You know, they're crusty on the surface, soft clay in the middle. Well, they wore through into the clay. People, maintain your floors. You know, not everything's an easy fix. You know, you can't just take a little mop and, oh, my floors look good. I mean, some things have to be deep cleaned, sealer applied, reapplied. Purpose of the video, people, maintain your floors before it gets this bad and you ruin it. You should be doing a maintenance depending on your traffic every 2 years, 3, maybe 4 or 5. I don't know. It's hard to say do it every year or do it every 2 years, because if you're a little old lady, you live by yourself, you know, compared to, you know, say a person that has 4 kids, 5 dogs, you know, the traffic abuse is different. Keep an eye on the floors. You feel like it's starting to get bad, do the maintenance. It's a lot cheaper to do the maintenance than it is the overhaul like we have to do here. Stick to the maintenance. Purpose of the video. Anyway, though, if you look over here, you can see all that stuff is the stuff we're stripping off the floor. That's all the sealer the guy put on 25 years ago. He put on tons of it. He just didn't maintain it. So seal your floor properly from the beginning. Maintain it. The goal is if you seal it right, you maintain it, you should never have to strip it. Just deep clean it, apply more layers of sealer, it'll stay looking perfect. Stick to the maintenance. Like and subscribe, share. Most important of all, just stay informed, people. Just keep yourself informed. You invest a lot of money into buying your property, your house, getting this stuff put in. Stop wasting your money. Love your floors more often. Look at this. This is nasty. Clean floors, cleaner way of life. Cleaner way of life makes you happier. When you're happy, you're thinner. When you're thinner, you jump off of stuff and you're just happy. Be happy. Enjoy your life, people. It's all you got. Be clean. Cleanliness is everything. I'm out. I need to get some work done. Stay informed.